Hey there, I hope you're having a great day. The holidays are upon us and Thanksgiving is here. So I wanted to take a few minutes and just wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving. And to do that, I've created this kind of fun post called Thanksgiving Flowchart. And in this post, and there's a link in the video to click on this to see everything that I'm going to share with you in the next 3 minutes. So the Thanksgiving Flowchart, it's just fun. It's something to look at when you have a few minutes while you're recovering from eating too much turkey and dressing. But the flowchart will be there, including some really interesting numbers about Thanksgiving that you may want to just read in your spare time. Next, we have some of my favorite recipes for Thanksgiving. I'd love to hear what your favorite recipes are. In our family, everybody gets to pick what they're going to make, and I typically look forward to the dressing. Cornbread dressing doesn't seem to be very popular in my family, but I love it. I don't know who's making the dressing this year, but I'm hoping we have dressing this year. Anyway, some great little quick, easy recipes. If you're interested, share them, make them, tell me about them. Next, here's the flowchart. You can click on the links and actually download the flowchart. It's really just designed to give you some tips to make the best Thanksgiving possible. So check that out. Also some serious stuff. So we're coming to the end of the year, and I've been asking the question all year, what's on your bucket list? So we put together a checklist, a master list of goals. It's a checklist. It's a really helpful planning tool. And also there's a report that was written by some very smart folks about setting goals and how that works. So if you need a nudge to identify and prioritize the best goals for you, this is for you, this checklist, the master list of goals. Check it out. That's included. And then a popular checklist that we've been sharing for some time is the year-end planning guide. It's also the beginning of the year planning guide. But check that out. There's a link to download that financial planning checklist for you as well. And then always the most popular checklist I've ever delivered is the important dates and important numbers. They kind of go together. So we've got both of those included. Again, the link is below. Click on the link and you can download all of this. And so there you have it. Important numbers, important dates. What else do we have? Oh, some tweets, some fun tweets for you to share. And then don't forget to click on what's on your bucket list. This was something I posted earlier in the year, some funny images and pictures, and I talk about what's on my bucket list. So what's on your bucket list for 2024? I can help you achieve anything significant. That's what I'm here for. I really wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. So thank you for watching my silly video, and I hope you and your family enjoy a wonderful time of food, fellowship, and just being grateful. That's really what the point is of the Thanksgiving flowchart. The number one tip, recommendation, is to make a list of all the things you're thankful for. And one of the things I'm very thankful for is my clients. I appreciate your trust, and my friends and my family. There's so many people in my family. Some of them actually like me. Most of them love me. None of them hate me. So I'm very, very thankful for that. Hopefully you have tons of things to be thankful for. And seriously, I want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. Take care. See you next time.